Sending out some stuff on Twitter. It's currently 3 degrees warmer in Juneau, Alaska than
What?
it is here in Indianapolis.
Wow, my word.
Yellowknife, Canada, 16 degrees warmer, where it's currently in the low 80s. Right here, we're sitting in the mid 60s, and it's going to stay cool this evening. If you have plans outdoors, make sure you take a jacket with you because it's going to be chilly as temperatures go from the mid 60s down in some locations into the upper 40s by tomorrow morning. Here's a live view right now from up in Conner Prairie, up in Fishers. They're getting ready for Symphony on the Prairie. The Beach Boys performing, not beach weather tonight though. Hopefully they've brought some scarves for their throats. And you may want a light jacket with you, or if not, a blanket out there at Conner Prairie. There is a little bit of wind out there right now. That will begin to ease here probably within the next couple of hours as the sun begins to set. Here's the live view right now from the northwest side of Indianapolis. You can see the pyramids out in the distance. We are now down to 61 degrees here at the station. Winds are out of the west at 6 miles per hour. Dew point is 52, and that's where you really notice the drier air. It feels more autumnal out there as this drier air has moved into the area. Temperatures around Marion County sitting in the low 60s to mid 60s in Geist and Noblesville. 66 coming in from Carmel right now. 62 up in Zionsville, 66 degrees in downtown Indianapolis, and 64 degrees in Southport. The 66 in downtown is a typical temperature we would see in mid-October. So definitely feeling a little more like fall around here. By tomorrow morning, our low temperatures will be more like late September. You can see we still have some 70s down to the south and east, where Shelbyville is still coming in at 70. Now down to 69 in Edinburgh, as well as out towards Greensburg and Connorsville. It's now 61 degrees as well up in Kokomo and Cicero. Guardian radar is quiet right now in central Indiana. There is a small chance we may pop an isolated shower from some of the heating that's going on above the clouds. That would the best chance for that would be mainly north of Kokomo, up towards the Peru area, even up towards Logansport. But right now you can just see we've got clouds moving through the area. These will begin to move off to the east, and we'll see skies clearing out overnight. That's what's going to allow temperatures to drop this evening. You can get an idea of what we can see temperature-wise as we go through 9 o'clock, mainly in the low 60s. And then during the overnight hours is when we drop back down into the 50s and eventually dropping off into the low 50s in Indianapolis. I think we'll drop down to 53 degrees, 48 for a forecast low in Lafayette, 47 Kokomo, down to 50 tomorrow morning in Muncie, and even lower 50s from Columbus to Bloomington. It's one of those nights where if you leave the windows open, which is probably a good idea, you may want an extra blanket or two on the bed because it may cool off your house a little quickly tonight. For tomorrow morning, we're going to start out with clear skies. Clouds begin to increase through the afternoon, but the sunshine we'll have in the morning should allow temperatures to rise quickly up to 70 degrees by 11 o'clock, eventually getting up into the upper 70s. We should see a high of 78 degrees tomorrow afternoon in Indianapolis. So if you have plans to head out to the State Fair for tomorrow, I think the weather looks pretty good for it. The only downside, more clouds towards the afternoon, but even with the clouds around, you'll still want some sunscreen if you're heading out there. 73 degrees at 2 o'clock and 74 with mostly cloudy skies by 8 o'clock. And we should stay dry tomorrow. On Sunday, it's a different story though. We are going to watch a weather system to our west begin to move into the state for Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and even into Monday morning, bringing us a chance for some rain. So if you've got plans this weekend to go outdoors, if you're trying to decide between tomorrow or Sunday, I would definitely choose Saturday, as that will definitely be dry. We'll have the chance for some showers and thunderstorms around here throughout the day on Sunday. Here's your 7-day forecast for central Indiana. 75 degrees for a high on Sunday, 72 on Monday with some morning and again evening showers. Back to 77 Tuesday, Wednesday, it looks very nice, 79 with mostly sunny skies. Back to the low 80s for Thursday and Friday.
All right, thank you, John. Thousands honoring